Hi, my name is Eva. I'm here thanks to Yulia, a professional Russian teacher who put all her experience and creativity into me. So think of me as your shortcut to learning Russian the smart way. Russian nouns have gender, and this can make or break your sentences. Get it right? You sound natural. Get it wrong? You sound broken. If you're serious about learning Russian, don't skip this lesson. Stay until the end, and your Russian will sound instantly better. And by the way, at the end of this lesson, check the link below. I've made a free interactive exercise for you to practice. Yes, totally free. Don't miss it. You know, I think if nouns had Tinder profiles, Russian grammar would be the matchmaker making sure every adjective and pronoun is the perfect fit. No mismatches allowed. What I mean is that adjectives and pronouns have to agree in gender and number with the noun they describe. That's why it's so important to know the gender of nouns. But wait, what is a noun? Just to be clear, a noun is a word that names a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. For example, mama, mom, Moskva, Moscow, телефон, phone, любовь, love. All of these are nouns. Russian nouns have 3 genders: masculine, мужской род, feminine, женский род, and neuter, средний род. For masculine nouns, we use the pronoun он, like he for a guy. For feminine, the pronoun она, like she for a girl. And for neuter nouns, we use the pronoun оно, just as it for everything else. If a noun ends with a consonant or with the letter I краткое, it is always masculine. No exceptions. Here are examples. Телефон, дом, город, автобус, чай, Китай. Телефон ends with N, a consonant, so it's masculine. Он. Дом ends with M, also masculine. Город ends with D, masculine as well. Автобус ends with се, so we can tell it's masculine. Чай and Китай end with I краткое, masculine again. Где мой телефон? Он тут. Where is my phone? It's here. See what happened here? In English, you said it's here, but in Russian we said он тут. He is here. Why? Because телефон is masculine. It ends with a consonant, so Russian grammar insists use he, not it. And hey guys, show me some love. Act now and like the video. Извините, где тут парк? Он вон там, на углу. Excuse me, where is the park? It's over there, on the corner. Это исторический музей? Нет, это не он. Is this a historical museum? No, it's not it. Это хороший магазин. Он недорогой. И мебель тут качественная. This is a good store. It's inexpensive, and the furniture here is of high quality. See? Easy, right? As I told you, the rule for masculine nouns always works. Well, unless you're talking about foreign names or titles for women. In that case, gender wins over grammar. Это мисс Браун. Она инженер. This is Miss Brown. She is an engineer. Это доктор Ли. Она хирург. This is Dr. Lee. She is a surgeon. Это профессор Май. Она декан. This is Professor Mai. She is a dean. In Russia, it's polite to open the door for women or let them go first. And Russian grammar does the same. Even if the word ends with a consonant or I краткое, grammar politely says, ladies first. Now, let's move on to feminine nouns. If a noun ends with a or ya, it is almost always feminine. Examples: сумка, машина, остановка, песня, семья. Сумка ends with a, so it's feminine. Она. Машина ends with a, feminine. Остановка, the last letter is a, so it's also feminine. Песня ends with я, feminine. Семья ends with я, feminine too. But there are a few important exceptions. Папа, дядя, дедушка, мужчина. Even though they end with a or ya, they are masculine because they describe men. Of course, there are a few more exceptions, but these are the most useful ones right now because you'll use them all the time. Где тут аптека? Она на углу. Where is the pharmacy here? It's on the corner. А где машина? Она на парковке. And where is the car? It's in the parking lot. Извините, где тут остановка? Она около метро. Идите прямо. Excuse me, where is the bus stop here? It's near the metro. Go straight. Now, let's go for the final challenge. Neuter nouns. Or maybe you're the kind of person who hates grammar and wants to sign off? Don't give up yet. I promise, neuter nouns are way less boring than they sound. Well, almost. When you see o or ye at the end of a noun, it's neuter. Here are some neuter nouns. Окно, письмо, море, платье. Окно and письмо both end with o, so they are neuter. Оно. Море and платье both end with е. Neuter as well. У меня новое платье. По-моему, оно красивое. I have a new dress. In my opinion, it's beautiful. Дай мне пальто, пожалуйста. Оно в коридоре. Give me my coat, please. It's in the hallway. Не пей молоко. Оно холодное. Don't drink milk. It's cold. There are some words of foreign origin that don't follow the rule but are considered neuter in Russian. You have to memorize them. Интервью, такси, жюри, меню. And now, a special group. Nouns that end with the soft sign. Here's the tricky part. Some of them are masculine and some are feminine. There's no single rule, so you just need to memorize the most common ones. Masculine nouns: день, дождь, отель, профиль, словарь. Feminine nouns: дверь, любовь, ночь, площадь, связь. Now you've mastered genders. But let's be honest, saying just a house or a car is a little boring, right? What if you want to show off? A red car, a delicious cake, a new phone. That's where adjectives come in. So don't stop here. Yulia's got a whole lesson on adjectives waiting for you. Trust me, it's your next big upgrade in Russian. See you at the next lesson. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe.